Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Depop seller account detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your Depop seller account, start by opening the Depop app on your device. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. In your profile, look for the gear icon or the settings option in the top right corner. Tap on the settings icon to access your account settings. Scroll down until you find the option for Manage Account or similar settings. In this section, look for Delete Account or Reset Account. Before proceeding, read the information provided to understand the implications of resetting your account. If you decide to go ahead, tap on the Delete option. You may be prompted to confirm your decision, so be sure to follow any on-screen instructions. After confirming, you'll need to enter your password again for security purposes. Once you enter your password, submit the request to delete your account. Your account will now be in the process of being reset. This may take several moments, so be patient during the process. Once your account is deleted, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your email to ensure that the account deletion has been processed. After deletion, you can create a new seller account if desired. To start fresh, download the Depop app again if you've removed it. Open the app and select Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your information and create your new seller profile. This completes the process of resetting your Depop seller account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.